Hi guys, and welcome to my semi-furnished apartment tour. I wanted to do an empty apartment tour, but the way things worked out, I wasn't able to, so here's this video. This is an overview of the living room, and one thing I really love about this apartment is all the natural light that comes in. And this is the overview of the dining room, and the dining room is the same length as the kitchen, so it's got a little extra space back there, and that's where I keep Tinka's dog food in her bed. Right next to that is the kitchen. There's an overview of the kitchen, and I like this kitchen because it does have a window in it. Now as you go down the hallway to the right, that is the bathroom, and that door right across from the bathroom is like a linen closet. And then this is the spare bedroom that I would like to be a guest bedroom for when people stay. And this is the master bedroom. It's a nice size, and it has a walk-in closet. And my plants are in the closet right now just because I don't have a side table to put them on at the moment. Usually I just leave that door open though. And that's the end of the apartment tour. Thank you guys for watching. I plan on doing updates as we get more furniture in and get the rooms decorated and stuff. So I hope you guys will subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks.